This is another KHOGC, Corrosion, Abrasion and Industrial Coating Solutions presentation. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and all of our other project presentations. The ARCOR flange repair method was developed to improve and repair flange faces, to help combat the common problems related to mating the surfaces of flange joints. For example, heat distortion, corrosion, and/or erosion. The corrosive action of chemicals, crevice corrosion, bimetallic corrosion, and high-pressure steam can result in the deterioration and subsequent leakage of flanges. The ARCOR method eliminates the need for hot work and allows for simple application in emergency situations, especially in areas with limited access, such as offshore platforms. The ARCOR method's simple-to-use kit has all the necessary accessories included to complete the repair. Each flange face former can be reused hundreds of times. The kit is lightweight, allowing easy transportation to emergency situations and areas with limited access. Downtime is minimized, as the kit eliminates the need for replacement parts. Applications for the ARCOR Technologies method include, but are not limited to, restoring damaged flange faces, corrosion resistance for old and new flange faces, and isolation of dissimilar metals to prevent formation of corrosion cells. It is an approved and trusted repair method within the oil and gas sectors. The ARCOR 2211 application is done in accordance with the dimensions identified in the ASME-B 16.5/ASME-PCC-1-2013, and the flange former is utilized to achieve the gramophone profile required. More information and the following technical data can be found and downloaded from the reference guides section on the KHOGC website at www.khogc.com. For any information to this or any other KHOGC projects or case histories, please contact us at info@khogc.com. Thank you for watching this presentation.